Today we've got an ATA GDO6 V3 or version 3. This remote here, let me get some light. We've got a remote here. This is a PTX5 version remote. Now this is an aftermarket remote. It's not sending out a very good signal. At the moment, it's not sending out a signal at all. I'll just grab another one of these bit nicer aftermarket remotes. Just a quick one, if any of my videos have helped you out and you've got 30 seconds free, jump onto Google Maps and hit the 5 stars. That helps me land more jobs and keeps these videos coming. Now, there's nothing wrong with the original remotes except the cost. This aftermarket remote is very good. It's got metal sides, quite solid, very robust. And as you can see, it's putting out a fantastic signal. You can tell by the door code button. This remote here, it's activating, but you're not getting any signal at all. So that means the remote is faulty. Very lightweight. This is a very, very cheap remote. It's actually probably the same price as this one, to be honest, but this one is much better quality. Never had any issues with this one. So we're going to code this one in. We'll start with button 1. So remove this cover. And now you've got a button called door code. Make sure you're getting a good signal. So find your door code button, which is right beneath that red flashing light. Hold the door code button down and press your remote 2 times. So we'll hold that down. It'll start beeping. Press your remote once. It'll beep faster. Press your remote again. And that is how you code in a new remote to your GDO6 roller door opener. Now, this model here, you can program multiple buttons. So let's program number 2. Hold and press your remote twice. So now we've got number 2 programmed. And let's program number 3 as well. Hold door code. When it starts beeping, press your remote 2 times. Now we can program number 4 or any button for just the light. So let's hold the light code button and press the remote twice. There we go. Now the number 4 should just be the light. So now we can activate just the light. Might come in handy. And 1, 2 and 3, any one of those can activate the garage door. So there you go. That's how you program a new remote to your ATA GDO6 roller door opener.
I'm that roller door bloke. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next great garage door tip.
And remember, if this video helped you out and you've got a spare minute, jump onto Google, chuck us a quick review. This gives me more jobs and keeps these videos coming.